Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about beetroot. Beetroot is a root vegetable that has been cultivated for centuries, and it is native to Europe and West Asia. It is a member of the Chenopodiaceae family, which also includes spinach, quinoa, and chard. Friends, we divided this video in 5 parts. Number 1, history. Number 2, about. Number 3, nutrition. Number 4, benefits of eating beetroot. And number 5, rare fact about beetroot. Okay, let's get started, but before we do, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Number 1, history of beetroot. The earliest evidence of beetroot cultivation dates back to 2000 BC in Egypt. The ancient Greeks and Romans also cultivated beetroot, and they used it for both food and medicine. Beetroot was introduced to the Americas by the Spanish in the 16th century, and it quickly became a popular vegetable in Europe and North America. Number 2, about beetroot. Beetroot is a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced. It has a sweet, earthy flavor, and it is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Beetroot is also a good source of dietary fiber, which can help to regulate digestion and promote gut health. Number 3, nutrition of beetroot. Beetroot is a good source of the following nutrients. Vitamin C. Beetroot is a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Vitamin C is also essential for the production of collagen, which is a protein that gives skin its strength and elasticity. Folate. Beetroot is a good source of folate, which is a B vitamin that is essential for cell growth and development. Folate is also important for pregnant women, as it helps to prevent neural tube defects in babies. Potassium. Beetroot is a good source of potassium, which is an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Potassium also helps to keep the heart healthy and can help to reduce the risk of stroke. Manganese. Beetroot is a good source of manganese, which is a mineral that helps the body metabolize carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Manganese is also involved in the production of energy and the formation of bones and connective tissue. Fiber. Beetroot is a good source of fiber, which is important for digestion and gut health. Fiber also helps to keep you feeling full, which can help you to control your weight. Number 4, benefits of beetroot. Beetroot has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reduces inflammation. Beetroot contains betaine, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a factor in many chronic diseases, so reducing inflammation can help to improve overall health. Improves blood pressure. Beetroot contains nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps to relax blood vessels, which can lead to lower blood pressure. Protects against cancer. Beetroot contains antioxidants, which can help to protect cells from damage. Damaged cells can lead to cancer, so eating foods that are high in antioxidants can help to reduce the risk of cancer. Number 5, rare and amazing facts about beetroot. Here are some rare and amazing facts about beetroot. The world's largest beetroot weighed 18.1 kilograms, 40 lb, and was grown in Belgium in 2016. Beetroot juice can be used as a natural dye. The color of beetroot comes from a pigment called beta-cyanin, which is also found in red cabbage and raspberries. Beetroot is the national vegetable of Russia. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and interesting. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel TuttiFrutti Knowledge for more videos like this one.